If you have been watching my videos, you know I own KTM Duke 790. Now it's gone. Last Sunday when I was coming back home from a short spin, I don't know what happened with my bike. It almost broke down. I somehow managed to ride it back to my home. Check out this clip. This is just a bit of the problem. If I turn on the bike and start riding it, I literally get scared because I get to hear as if some parts are getting broken in the rear section. I sat for around 3 to 4 hours to figure out what exactly the problem is all about. I couldn't figure out what the problem is. I have not gone through any potholes. I have not done off-road. I have not met with any accident. I haven't ridden this bike on some tough terrains. Why is this happening with my bike? It happened on Sunday. Looking at the condition of my bike, I thought of not riding it. So next day on Monday, I called up Shivu, who takes care of my 790 in service center. I asked him, can you come down to my house? He came down to my house. ಓಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇನ್ನೂ ಭಯಂಕರ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವೀಲು ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಜಾಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೌದು, ವೀಲು. He checked my bike and he said, sir, something is wrong with the rear wheel. I will have to take it to the service center. I said, go ahead. He took the bike to the service center. He opened the rear wheel and this is what we found. ನಾನು ಬರೀ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಹೈವೇ ರೋಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿರೋದು. Mechanic is saying something has gone wrong inside. The bearing is broken or something has happened, it seems. So I'm also not sure what's the reason, why it happened. Even they are also confused. Rear wheel bearings are gone. But how come bearings can get screwed up so soon? I understand it's a wear and tear part, but so soon I have not even crossed 5,000 kilometers. I asked the service center guys. They were just looking at my face with no answer. KTM spare parts are expensive. They told me that this part will be covered in warranty. But the pain part is bearings are not in stock. KTM said it takes 10 to 15 days to procure the spare part. Now my scalpel is lying in KTM service center godown because I can't ride it back home. It's gonna create more problems. Now by the time KTM is going to fix this issue, meanwhile I thought of buying one riding pant, jeans, Levi's Royal Enfield jeans. I'm not going to buy the jacket. I have my jacket, even I have my riding pant, but that's not comfortable for me. I thought of buying one comfortable riding pant for my road trips, short road trips. I think you're aware it's available at Levi's stores. Let's go there. Settling at 40 km/h. See, last time when I came, right, I wasn't sure. Yeah. So I thought of getting the pads. Which color would you suggest? All my t-shirts are black color.
Try t-shirt sameta try ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ.
These are my armors. They don't have this.
Perfect.
is the side pocket that I got in this jeans so that I can keep my mobile over here. Zip it, and you can see over here, this is the reflector, this reflected night. Now I'm eagerly waiting for my 790 so that I can plan for a ride.